the next video. So in this video I will show you how to use PencilKit inside your React Native application. So PencilKit is only an iOS or an Apple platform feature, so cannot be used with Android. So I have created a React Native application and I will also use the new architecture for this. So first of all, you will have to enable the new architecture. So cd to your iOS directory and then run this command. So this will enable the new architecture for you. There is some issue which I am facing with React Native. So first I will show you how PencilKit looks like. So here I will just click on this button, and here you can see that using one of these pencils you can draw anything on the screen. Okay, but I'm not able to render these pencils inside my React Native application. I don't know why. Like, I'm able to do it for Flutter, I'm able to do it for native iOS application, but not for React Native. I don't know why. So I will show you what my React Native output looks like. So there are two ways which I have tried, like opening a separate view controller or embedding the PencilKit view inside our existing view. So this is one of those. So this is like embedding the native view inside our existing view. So here you can see, as I can draw, but I can't see the PencilKit. And the second one is this. So here I'm not sure whether you guys can see it, but there is a button at the start which I had to click. So once you click on the button, it opens a separate view controller. I can see the color picker, but I am not able to see those pencils, and I can draw on the screen as well. So yeah, I'm not sure why. If you guys know, do let me know in the comments. And first of all, what you have to do is so I will be following both, I will show you guys both the approach which I have taken, like using fabric module as well as using turbo modules. And you can use whatever you want, but yeah, in both I am facing some of the other issue. So first of all, RTN my canvas is for fabric. So create a folder called RTN my canvas, create a JS folder, and inside that create an RTN canvas native component.ts. This has been copied from docs, only changes this. Next, package or .json, again this has been copied from docs, changes this, this, and this. Next, I have created a pod spec file, again copied from docs, and this has been changed. Then I have created that's it. Similarly, I have created an RTN my screen, so this will launch a separate view controller. Now this is a turbo module. So first of all, you have to create JS folder, and I have created native my screen.ts. Again, this has been copied from docs, and only this name has been changed. Next, I have created a package.json, and this again has been copied from docs, and this name has been changed. This has been changed, this has been changed, and this has been changed. Like, you don't have to follow both fabric and turbo modules, use whichever works the best for you, but I have tried both, and unfortunately I'm not able to, as I told you before, figure out why those pencil pickers are not showing up. And there is this another pod spec file which I have created, again copied from docs, only this name has been changed. Now all you have to do is open your terminal, go to the root of your React Native project, and then first run this command, then run this command. Then you have to do cd ... It will move you outside your React Native project. Then first you have to run this command, but over here you have to change this, should be your project name. So here you can see my project name is rnapp, followed by the folder name of this. Okay, then you have to again run this command, but make sure you run this for RTN my canvas. So it will be something like this. Again, you should be outside the root of your React Native project. Once you do this, you have to cd to your iOS directory, and I will tell you what command you have to run. So you have to run this command. So this will create pod for both of your folders, and you should see this generated folder inside over here as well. Okay. Alright, so next what you have to do is open the iOS directory. So I will just open iOS, my main iOS project. And inside I will, by that time it loads, I will show you. So I have done this for a turbo module, like created a button and I was calling open screen on it. And for embedding an existing view with fabric, I was just using RT and my canvas and setting the width and height of the entire screen, so which you can see over here. And this is how I was importing. So you can use any one of this method which works for you. Now so first of all I will tell you what you have to do for turbo modules, like opening the second view controller. So first of all you will have to create a Swift file called second view controller. Then Xcode will ask, do you want to create a bridging header? Just say yes. Then you will have to create this header file rtn my screen. Again, this has been copied from docs, only this file name has been changed. And again you have to create an Objective-C file, but make sure you manually change the extension to .mm. So this is an Objective-C++ file. Again, this has been copied from docs, only the header name has been changed. This should be your bridging header name, so mine is rnapp, and this has been copied from docs, only this name has been changed. And here we are initializing our Swift file. Okay, and here again this has been copied from docs, this entire method, and but this name has been changed. And here we are overriding our open screen and we are calling the open view controller of our Swift file and doing this on the main thread. So you have to create another Swift file called my screen, and it will only contain a method called open view controller. You have to import UIKit as well as React and Foundation. And here we are initializing our second view controller and presenting that second view controller. So inside second view controller you have to import PencilKit and UI view controller and PK canvas view delegate. And here you can see we are initializing our canvas view as well as PK drawing, and then setting it to our canvas view, like the drawing as well as the delegate, and adding it as a sub view. Then we are setting the canvas view dot frame as well. Now this code is not getting implemented, I am not sure why. Like this would actually show you guys the pencil, different types of pencil, but like I'm using the same way in Flutter and native iOS application, not sure why this is not implementing. And these are like helper methods, if you want you can reuse, you can use it to however you want to. So this is all for turbo modules. Now yeah, there is one more thing. What you have to do is you have to create this prefix header as well. So inside, so just right click new file and just search for PCH and just select this and just name it as prefix header. And here you will have to import PencilKit, because we are jumping from Objective-C to Swift, that's why we have to do this. And here you will have to change your iOS deployment target to at least 15 over here as well as over here as well, irrespective of whether you are using turbo module or fabric approach. And inside build settings you will have to now this is only for turbo module. All you have to do is search for Apple C, and you have to make this pre-compile prefix header as yes, and the prefix header will have to name this as whatever file you have created. So this is prefix header.pch. okay, next for fabric, what you have to do is will have to first create this header file rtn my canvas. Again, this has been copied from docs, only this name has been changed. Next we will have to create an Objective-C++ file and make sure the extension is .mm. And again, this has been copied from docs, only this has been changed, so this should be your bridging header name. And this has been commented and this has been added because we are writing the code inside the main iOS folder and not inside our JavaScript folder. That's why we have to add this import and comment out this import. And next, again, this has been copied from docs, and here I have created our UI view. So first of all, I have copied, just ignore this for now. Like this was I was doing this because I was trying it with Objective-C as well, as you can see over here, but that was again not working for me, so I dropped it. But all you have to do is you define a UI view and here again this has been copied from docs, and here we are initializing our UI view to occupy entire width and height, and then I'm defining our canvas view. I will come to this is a Swift file, I will come to this soon, and adding it to our view. And this again has been copied from docs, only this name has been changed. And next I have created another objective C++ file, and you have again this has been copied from docs. Only thing is I have added import PencilKit, but I don't think this is necessary. If this is necessary only if you are trying to implement PencilKit with Objective C, but I am using Swift, that's why this is not necessary. And here I have defined again this has been copied from docs, only this file name has been changed. And this is I was just trying this with Objective C as well, but it didn't work out. And here I have defined our canvas view. So here you can see that I have imported PencilKit and PK canvas view delegate, and here I have defined our canvas view as well as our PK drawing. Then I have defined the drawing as well as delegate and added it as a sub view. Then I have done layout sub views as well, canvas view dot frame equal to bounds. Now this is the code which is not working. Like I have tried putting this code over here as well as over here, like I'm not sure, it is still not working, and these are like just helper methods. So yeah, that's it for PencilKit with React Native. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.